So what are some red flags with Wealthy Affiliate that you might have to watch out for? So the only red flag that comes to mind when I think about Wealthy Affiliate is the fact that they do have an affiliate program. So if you automatically get signed up and you get an affiliate link if you create an account on Wealthy Affiliate. And so if you share that link and someone signs up and they upgrade to a premium membership, then you can earn monthly recurring commissions. So a lot of people get really suspicious when any educational platform, they teach people something and then they have an affiliate program where people make money promoting it, because people think it's some sort of MLM or pyramid scheme where all you do is they teach you how to get more people into the scheme. But that's not at all what Wealthy Affiliate is. They're actually teaching you legitimate affiliate marketing, and they've got tons of education and training on getting a following on YouTube, how to do affiliate marketing on social media using email funnel marketing, how to do niche research. They've got all sorts of information here. They've got amazing tools. And so that's something that people get suspicious about. And I can tell you that Wealthy Affiliate is not teaching you how to promote their program. They're teaching you how to do traditional affiliate marketing, where you only make money from the direct sales that you generate. I don't see a problem with any kind of educational platform having an affiliate program as long as the quality of the product is good and they're honest about what they offer. Both of them are true for Wealthy Affiliate. So I have zero ethical qualms about being an affiliate for Wealthy Affiliate because I see how much value they provide. And if you look at their Trustpilot score, they have an average of 4.8 out of almost 600 reviews, and they are a verified company. They've actually been around since 2005 and they have over 2.6 million members. So I think this Trustpilot score and the fact that they have this many people and they've been in business for so long really speaks to the fact that Wealthy Affiliate is a legitimate training. So I hope you can see that I've been as honest as possible in answering people's top questions about Wealthy Affiliate on this channel. So if you do want to sign up to Wealthy Affiliate, you can do so completely for free using my affiliate link in the description below. There's no credit card required, so there's literally zero risk. Now, if you want to know what happens after you sign up to Wealthy Affiliate's completely free plan, then you can actually watch this video showing up on your screen.